Yo, welcome to What's Up Bali channel. Channel will always give you the last update about how travel to Bali, Bali Travel Regulation and condition in Bali now. If you're interested in one of those, consider to subscribe. Yo guys, now I'm heading to the airport. I'm gonna pick up a guest who's arrived from Singapore. So today we're gonna ask her experience, her personal experience, start from she get off from the plane until out from there. So don't go anywhere, watch this video until the end. So right now, I'm already at the airport, and sadly, I cannot use my camera because need permit to use my camera. But I said, why with handphone is allowed? And as usual, he can't answer that. But anyway, so I use my handphone for today's vlog. So how are you?
Hi, good, thank you.
Let's go.
Hello. So, at first I went to PCR test. First I had to register for this and then pay. I could pay by card or by cash, and then I had my PCR test done. And after that, I went to the immigration, so I had to show my passport and all the documents. In general, in each step, I had to show my documents, my passport, vaccination proof, and accommodation proof. And actually, that's all. No, it doesn't have to be. So I had only the reservation from you, and they agreed on this. So it was totally not the problem. No, nothing about the insurance. Yeah, they checked EHAC at first. So when I was registering for PCR test, I had to show my EHAC, the QR code, and actually that was the only place, the only one time when I had to show it. Yeah, they were very helpful. All of them are super helpful. But it was like
Yes, no,
what
no,
baggage?
no.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Do I have like fruits, cigarettes, animals, alcohol, and so on? Yeah, exactly. Around 40 minutes.
So now, do you have your result yet? The PCR test result?
I don't think so. No.
So guys, shall we lock her in her room? Because the rule is, if you don't have the result yet, you cannot exit from the room.
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
Shall we?
No.
Thank you, Anya. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, there you go. Straight from personal experience. Not me, but my guest. Total only 40 minutes. When she off from the plane, straight to the PCR test, get the PCR test, and then from there, go to immigration. Check your visa, where you're gonna stay, your hotel. So I did already send her letter of confirmation that she will stay in my place. But that's all. And as you heard also, as she said that the immigration didn't ask about health insurance. I don't know if she lucky or it's never asked anymore. I don't know. And then they fill in the electronic customs declaration, got the bag, and off to the pickup zone. So total, she said, only 40 minutes. I think that's all from now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me. Now I need to sleep because I'm very thirsty. You know, today is second day of Ramadan. I'm doing fasting. So I haven't eat and drink since sunrise, since 5 o'clock in the morning. I can have my drink later on 6:30 in the evening. Still 4 hours. I see you soon in the Island of God. Till then, my name is Hoki Misam, your host in Bali. Stay safe.